Hello everybody. Today we are going to be doing a silver unboxing, but before I do that, I wanted to get into some of the stuff I have in my stack already. This is just a little preview of what I have. I currently have 90 ounces of silver in my collection. To start here, we have this bar. It's a 10-ounce bar. I like the design of it. I like simple designs. Here we have a Heraeus bar. Here are 1 ounce coins. I have 10 of these. This is a front design and this is the back design. Here are 2 APMEX bars, 10 ounces. This is also a 10-ounce bar. Now we're gonna get right into the unboxing. All right, everybody, here we are. We have our mystery unboxing. Here's the package. I had someone order this for me, so it's a mystery to all of us. I'm kind of excited to get into this. So I have my favorite knife here. I do all my unboxings with this knife. It's a little switchblade. Now, I'm gonna open this package. So, I wanna know if there's a large silver hobby community out there. So please, in the comments below, let me know what unboxing I should do next, because I'm trying to collect as much silver as I can. The last package was more difficult to open. Now here we have this box. Move that out of the way. Cut the bottom tape here. Personally, I like the 1 ounce bars, but the 10 ounces are cool. They're more expensive. Oh, we have 2 bars in here. This is the order receipt. Now we have 2 bars in here. Oh, wow. I like this design. This is cool. It's kind of reflective. There's a lot of designs, patterns in it. This is sweet. 10 ounces of silver. I think I have 2 here. Yes, I do. Now that adds to my stack. I currently have 100 ounces of silver. Oh, 110 here. Here's my stack. I keep it in this tray. Well, thank you for watching my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if I should do another one in the comments below.